I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The host has the saved Wi-Fi network and quick share or compatible Wi-Fi direct is available. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices so discovery works. You need visibility for pairing. Open Quick Share from the settings or the Share menu on the host device and select the Wi-Fi network to share. This starts the handshake. Once done, the host prompts to approve sharing credentials, which keeps passwords secure and avoids typing errors. You now handle the pairing. The receiving device shows an incoming Quick Share request. Accept it. Make sure you verify the visible device name and the SSID of the network being shared so you connect to the correct hotspot. The host will confirm the recipient and approve the transfer. Quick Share sends encrypted Wi-Fi credentials directly over a secure channel so you don't type the password. Once the transfer completes, the receiver automatically attempts to join the network using those credentials. You finish by checking the receiving device for a connected status and a valid IP address. This confirms successful authentication and DHCP assignment. If the device doesn't join, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then retry the Quick Share transfer within close range. Interference or distance often blocks the handshake. If problems persist, make sure both devices run updated OS builds and that Quick Share or Wi-Fi Direct is supported on the receiver. Updating firmware or using a manual password entry are the fallback options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.